Throughout Saturday, we had partly cloudy skies over the northeast. Clear skies dominated the weather once again over central and northwestern South Africa. But we have a lot of cloud giving us light rain over much of the south coast. We are also seeing a lot of cloud covering much of the west coast, but it's going to stay dry over those parts of South Africa. Now, for the rest of your Saturday, it's going to stay clear over central and northwestern South Africa. Partly cloud over the northeast, and rainy weather should persist from the southwest coastline through the south coast, extending into the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Sunday, we'll see rainy weather setting in all the way from Port Elizabeth into Richards Bay, and as we go further inland, thunder showers are forecast from the eastern parts of the Free State through the Mpumalanga Highveld into eastern Limpopo. The rest of the country is going to stay partly cloudy and dry. Now, we are expecting up to a 40% chance of rain this evening over parts of the southwest coastline and the south coast, extending into the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Partly cloudy skies are forecast this evening over Johannesburg, as you can see here on the Metro Vision picture. Temperatures would drop to around 12 degrees. And on Sunday, it's going to be partly cloudy with a very small chance of isolated showers in the afternoon, and temperatures will peak at around 30 degrees. We are expecting a northeasterly breeze tonight along the east coast, but on Sunday, the airflow tends to a southwesterly direction, and the winds are going to be particularly strong from Port Elizabeth into the Richards Bay area. A southeasterly breeze is forecast for the southwest coastline, extending into the west coast and the western interior. Overnight temperatures are going to be on the warm side across KwaZulu-Natal, Durban dropping to 18, 19 in Richards Bay, 12 for Johannesburg, the same for Polokwane, Pretoria 16, 10 for the minimum in Kimberley, 12 for Uppington and Gia. We are expecting a minimum of 11 for the mother city, George, as well as Graaff-Reinet and Bishop. A minimum of 15 is forecast for Port Elizabeth. It's going to stay hot on Sunday across central and northern South Africa. Uppington and Kimberley both peaking at 32, 34 for Mahikeng, Johannesburg 30, 33 in Pretoria. Cooler as we go towards the southern parts of the country. Durban will manage a high of just 24, 19 in East London, a degree warmer for Port Elizabeth and the mother city, and 17 for the minimum in George. Light rain is forecast on Monday for Port Elizabeth and East London. Thunder showers are expected over the eastern half of the country. And on Tuesday, we will stay with showers over eastern South Africa, and it's going to be dry over the western sections.
News that moves. eNCA.com.